Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have my latest Fashom box to share with you. And yes, I did open it. I did go through the items, but I did not try anything on yet, so we're gonna do that together. I am gonna jump right into the try-on. I'm not going to unbox everything and show it to you. It just seems to be working well for me, so that's what we're gonna do. But I did wanna jump on and talk to you a little bit because I did request a Fashom box. I think it was like 3 weeks ago or so. And with Fashom, you get a preview of up to 8 items, and I didn't really care for anything. So I asked for some additional items, and I still really didn't care for anything. So I did cancel that styling session. And then about a week or so ago, I did decide to request another box. And so I have one here. So I'm just not sure about the items. I will tell you that, but I'm hoping that I can find at least 1 or 2 pieces that works for me. I feel like as long as I can find one item, it's a good box, right? You're not gonna love everything in every single box, and that's okay. So let's hope for at least one keeper in this box. I don't think I made any special requests in this box. Lexi's right here and she wants some attention. So I'm gonna give her some before I do my try on. You can probably see her, oh no, you can't see her little tail wagging. But I don't think I made any special requests for this box that I can remember. Yeah, no, I don't think I did. So, all right, let me show you what I got and I will be right back. Okay, I am back with my first top, and this is by Kris and Carol. This is the lace cold shoulder top. It is a nylon, poly, and spandex blend. I could not find a size, and I don't know if it's just me, but sometimes with Fashom, I have trouble finding the sizes of my tops. So if you have that experience, let me know. Maybe I might be just Kris and Carol. I think it's that brand from what I remember, but anyway, the top is $45, so I'm sorry I can't share the size because I don't really know, but it is a cold shoulder top. The color is beautiful, and I love the lace detail of this top. I don't need a cold shoulder top right now that's short sleeves because it's getting colder here, and I just won't pull for this. It is a really pretty color, and I do like the style of it. Yeah, I just don't need this right now. I do like the length of it too. It is like a rounded hemline, which is nice. Maybe if it were a full-length sleeve, I'd consider keeping this top, but because it's short sleeve, I know I won't pull for it, and I don't know if I'd layer this either, but they did send me a cardigan, which I don't remember seeing in my preview, so I might try to throw it over and see how it looks, because maybe that'll change my mind about it. Here's the back of the top. So it is a good length too, but yeah. I don't know, look at the pretty color and the pretty design. I really do like that about it, but like I said, I just wish it was a longer length sleeve for right now, but I don't know, and it's bra friendly too, which is nice. All right, let me try to find the cardigan and maybe we'll do some pairing and see how it looks. Hang on one second. Okay, I'm back with the cardigan. Now the tag says debut, the sheet says Dreamers. I'm not really sure which one it is. We're gonna go with Dreamers, I guess. The boyfriend cardigan. I don't think the two brands are related, but let me know if they are and I'm wrong. I could be. 55% cotton and 45% rayon. It's $55. It's an extra large. So I like this cardigan. I just don't need another black cardigan. I do have one like this. It does have pockets, which is really nice. I do like that. I kept the lace off the shoulder or cold shoulder top underneath. I wouldn't wear it like this just because the lace kind of feels heavy underneath, and I don't like the extra bulk or extra layer here in my arms. But anyway, let's talk about the cardigan. So I do like the length of it. I do like that it has buttons so you could wear it closed like this or you could wear it open. I'll show you both ways because I do like the versatility of that you can kind of wear it both ways. And the one that I already have, I do wear it, you know, open like this, which I like it. Oh, I like the style of this top underneath the black cardigan. But like I said, it's just driving me crazy with the extra layer on my arms right here. But anyway, so I do like that you can wear it both open and closed. I also like the ribbing detail on each of the sleeves. I think that, whoops, there you go. Gives it a nice detail. So it is a nice cardigan. I just don't need it. So that's why I'm passing on this one. There's the back. So it's a great length, and the cardigan does have ribbing detail on the bottom of it, just like the arms do. So it's cute, and like I said, I do like this lace top layered, but I think if it was a tank, it would be better, or if it were long sleeve so I can wear it alone. So I think I am gonna pass on this one, and I am gonna pass on the cardigan only because I already have one just like it, so I don't need 2 of the same exact cardigan. All right, I will be right back with my next top. Okay, I am back, and this looked totally different on the preview than it did or does on me and in person. This is the Dreamer's Heart Pullover. It's $48. It is a medium large, so it's one of those tops that is like a dual size, you know what I mean? And the mixture is, oh my gosh, I forgot the mixture. I'm blanking. Hang on, let me just look. I'm trying to remember everything, and I never can. So it's 45% viscose, 30% polyester, and 25% polyamide. Never seen that before. Okay, so it is a crew neck sweater, and then I do like the texture. The texture is, the pattern is hearts, but it's very textured, and I think it's cute. I love the color of this sweater. I think the color is so pretty. It's just not a typical Kayla sweater, and I don't know that it's for me. I don't know, it's a good length, it's very soft, it's very comfortable. The sleeves, I don't know, they kind of seem a little bit baggy. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Just don't like the way they're laying, but I do like, I think the hearts are super cute. They're fun, but I don't think I'm gonna keep this one. Let me show you the back of this top. So what do you think? I mean, if you like the crew neck style sweater, this is a super cute one, and it's so soft. And what was the price? $45? $48? Not a bad price. And I love the Dreamer sweaters. I think that's why I requested it, because I love the Dreamers. But yeah, all right, that was the sweater, and it would look cute with like a vest, like a puffer vest or things like that. So if this was my style, I'd totally keep it. And I do like the length too. I appreciate that it covers. So all right, let me change. I have 2 more tops to show you, I think, so hang on one second. Okay, so this top is very unique. This is by Angela Collection. This is the arm ties top. It is $39, 97% polyester and 3% spandex. Got it. Okay. This top is snug. I don't know that I'd have to size up if I kept it, but I'm not gonna keep this top. It's just not really me. It's kind of like has an Aztec print. That's how I would refer to this top. And then the sleeves, they have a crisscross detail and they tie. So these hang down, and that would drive me up the wall. It has that on both sides. The colors are unique as well. It's got some olive green, some mustard color. We've got some tan in here, some kind of cream color. It is this like a kind of a, I don't know if it's scoop or crew neck. I don't know. I'm not gonna keep this top. I don't care for this top. Yeah, and it is snug. Yep. The arm length is great. That's a plus, right? Here's the back. I always have to keep it positive, but yeah, this one's gonna go back. I mean, I don't know. I don't really have much to say about this top. I'm gonna send this one back. All right, I've got one more to show you. Fingers crossed that that's a keeper. Hang on one second. Okay, so last top. This is also by Angela Collection. This is the Rebecca Dark Denim Tunic shirt. It is $39. I think it's an extra large. I'm trying to remember everything. If I'm wrong, I'll throw it across the screen. It is 65% cotton and 35%, oh, I knew that was gonna happen. I think it's polyester. Yeah, polyester. I know it's polyester. 65% cotton and 35% polyester. Okay, let's look at the shirt now. So it has a split V neckline, which I do like that neckline, but as you can see, I always have trouble in this area. Yep. So it does have a button kind of inside. Actually, yeah, one button. I thought it was 2, but it's just one button. And yeah, it's pulling. So if I kept this, I'd have to wear it open, which yeah, it'd be way too low cut. I'd have to throw a cami underneath. But I'm not gonna keep this top, and I'll show you why. So it's just kind of a little boxy on me, I think. And I don't know if it's just because it's pulling in this area and that's throwing me off. It totally could be. I do like the sleeve length. They're 3/4 length sleeves. And they're calling this a tunic length, but I'm only 5'2". And so if you're a little bit taller than me, which chances are you probably are a little bit taller than me, yeah, this is gonna be shorter on you, but that's okay. I just don't think I would call it a tunic length. So And it's an okay length for me. Like, I'm not complaining. It's not bad. I'm just trying to say it's not really a tunic. I do like the rounded hemline too. It does have a rounded hemline, and I love the color. I do want a denim or chambray shirt. This is just not the one for me. I haven't found one for me, so maybe they're just not for me. If you have any suggestions, let me know. Yeah, I don't know. It's just not like totally my style, so that's all right. Let me show you the back. Yeah, so this one I think is gonna go back too. I know it's going back because it is a little bit snug over here. Otherwise it fits nice, but yeah, it's going back. All right, I'll be right back and we'll do a quick recap. We're probably on the same page, right? Let's see, hang on. Okay, so I think it's all going back, but let's just talk about it really quickly. The denim style top, yes, I like the color of it, but it was a little snug in the chest area. And I think for my denim or chambray style top, I kind of want something a little bit longer, like a true tunic style, maybe to go with leggings and things like that. So that one is gonna go back. This top by Dreamers, I thought that the texture was really nice of this top. I love the material. It's very, very soft. The textured hearts, really cute, right? Gives it a really fun style look. They go all the way down the sleeves of the top and in the back. It goes down the sleeves as well. Just the back of the sweater is just a plain, like the material is just plain. It doesn't have the textured hearts. So I wanted to show you the back because I know you could see it in the try-on, but I didn't mention it because I didn't really realize it until after when I was taking it off. So if you are interested, I wanted to just point that out for you. So it is a really cute sweater though. So if you like it, go ask for it. This, yeah, I'm gonna send this back too. I love the color. The color is absolutely gorgeous. This is one of my favorite colors to wear. And I did think that the lace detail is just so pretty. I love that. And I love, you know, the sleeves are sheer. I just wish that it was either a long sleeve top or a tank for layering. I just wouldn't layer this because of the bulk that ends up being, you know, in your cardigans and things like that. I just don't like that added bulk in that area. I don't need any more. And then this top by the Angela collection, this was just not me at all. You don't care for the crisscross in the arms, and this tie on the sleeve that hangs down on both sides would drive me insane. So I am going to send this one back, and it was a little snug too. And then the cardigan, the black cardigan, like I said, they're calling this debut on the tag. So I guess we should go with the tag. Originally I said Dreamers, but let's go with what the tag says. If I didn't have a black cardigan exactly like this, I would totally keep it because it is a really nice cardigan. But like I said, I already have one just like it. So this one is going back too. So yeah, I'm going to send it all back. Bummer. But you know what? Sometimes that happens and that's okay. I just don't want to purchase anything that I don't absolutely need or absolutely love just so that I don't lose my styling fee. I know sometimes it's hard to lose your styling fee, but I'd rather wait and buy items that are unique and that I really like. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna mail everything back. So I'll do that today. Maybe I'll request another box right away and see if it's a little bit better than this one. All right, thank you so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. I hope to see you all very soon in my next video, which will be very soon because I've got a lot coming towards you. So stay tuned. Have a great day.